Tired of Firefox menus in a language you can't read? Change it to your preferred language in under 2 minutes. First, we'll check if your language is available. Then I'll show you the exact steps to switch it, including for Developer Edition. First, read this article to get an overview of the process. Then, click on the Table of Contents to check the sections. Firefox lets you display menus, notifications, messages, and other parts of the interface in different languages. If you're using Firefox Developer Edition or Nightly, you'll need to download a new copy in your desired language from the Firefox website. See the last section below for more details. Firefox lets you display menus, notifications, messages, and other parts of the interface in different languages. Not all regional language variants are available. If yours is missing, try selecting the base language or check the Language Packs page. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.